Confirm the number of boxes. Check all accessories. Remove the protective cover. Install the backrest. Wires connection. Red, white, and black wires for massage heating control. Connect heating and massage remote control. Black 8-pin. Connect the power cord. After pressing the red button and hearing the beep sound, the recliner will be powered on and ready for operation. Organize the wires. We provide a detailed instruction manual covering precautions for product installation, usage, disassembly, maintenance, after-sales service, and other related aspects. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.